Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are often overlooked, but trust me, after today, you'll be adding them to everything. We're talking 10 surprising ways chia seeds can boost your health and have you feeling amazing. So grab a glass of water because we're about to unlock the incredible potential of chia seeds together. First things first, let's talk about why these little seeds deserve a spot in your pantry. Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and a whole bunch of vitamins and minerals. Think of them as nature's multivitamin, providing your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive. Just a tablespoon or two a day can make a big difference. Chia seeds are bursting with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This means reducing inflammation, boosting your immune system, and even protecting against chronic diseases. Chia seeds are like a shield for your body, helping you stay healthy from the inside out. Trying to manage your weight? Chia seeds can be your new best friend. The fiber in chia seeds keeps you feeling full and satisfied after meals, reducing cravings and snacking. Plus, they absorb liquid and expand in your stomach, acting like a natural appetite suppressant. Let's talk about digestion. Chia seeds are like a superhero for your gut. The fiber content acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive system and keeping things running smoothly. This means saying goodbye to constipation and hello to regular bowel movements. We all want a healthy heart, right? Chia seeds support your cardiovascular system with omega-3 fatty acids. We're talking lower blood pressure, reduced triglyceride levels, and a decreased risk of heart disease. Adding chia seeds to your diet is like giving your heart a warm hug. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and chia seeds can help. The combination of fiber and protein helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This means fewer spikes and crashes in your blood sugar, keeping levels balanced and stable. Feeling sluggish? Chia seeds to the rescue. These tiny seeds are packed with energy-boosting nutrients. We're talking protein, fiber, and healthy fats that provide sustained energy release throughout the day. Sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt or oatmeal in the morning, and you'll be ready to conquer the day. Strong bones are essential for a healthy and active life, and chia seeds support your skeletal system. They're a surprisingly good source of calcium, providing about 18% of your daily needs in just 1 ounce. If you're looking to keep your bones strong and healthy, don't underestimate the power of chia. Want radiant, healthy-looking skin? Chia seeds can help. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help keep your skin hydrated and supple. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, add them to yogurt or oatmeal, or use them as a thickening agent in soups and sauces. So there you have it, 10 surprising ways chia seeds can improve your health. From boosting your energy to supporting your heart, these tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. I encourage you to give chia seeds a try and see the difference they can make in your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.